So part 24, fixed-term employees or contractual employees are entitled to the mothers, but they are not entitled to the son. So let's talk about Samonte versus Lasal. So this is a variation of the rule which was spelled out in Brent. So sabi natin sa Brent, professional ka, ikaw ay walang moral ascendancy sa'yo, professional ka, di ba? So pwedeng maging contractual or fixed term, FTE. But itong nagkaroon ng konting pagbabago do sa Monte versus Lasal. This is actually 2016. The employees concerned in this case are Lasal is a school. It's a school in Green Hills. They also have in top, but this referred to school in Green Hills. So, dun sa Lasal, meron silang mga medical professionals. Medical professionals. Who are these medical professionals? Meron silang doktor, meron silang nurse, meron silang teachers. Teachers. Pagod na ako. Meron silang doktor, meron silang nurse, meron silang dentist. Diba? Medical professionals. So, these medical professionals, meron silang yearly contract. And some of them were hired as long as 15 years ago. And every year, nire-renew lang yung kontrata nila. And after 15 years or so, it was no longer renewed. So naisip siguro ng Lasal, tatandaan nyo na. Hindi na nirenew yung kontrata nila. So all of them filed, led by Mr. Samonte, all of them filed an illegal dismissal case before the NLRC. So 15 years, first contract, second contract, hanggang nakareach sila ng 15 contract. So, they filed an illegal dismissal case. Siyempre, yung mga magagaling na abogado ng Lasal, kayo naman. How can you claim that you were illegally dismissed? End of contract kayo. Kung hindi kayo na ni-renew, end of contract. Hindi yan illegal dismissal. Sabi ng mga magagaling abogado ng Lasal. And the case, syempre, punta sa labor arbiter, punta sa NLRC, napunta sa Court of Appeals. So, wag na natin pag-usapan ano yung mga decision na hahaba kwento. But in the end, ang sabi ng Supreme Court, lo and behold, ang sabi ng Supreme Court, we will not apply the case of Brent here. We will not consider these medical professionals as contractual or fixed-term employees. And what are the following? What are the reasons said by the Supreme Court? And you take note of this. In this case, sabi nila, first, although these people are medical professionals, in their contract